What will future robots look like? A few years ago, when we heard about the word robot, an image of a moving mechanical arm or like Optimus Prime from the movie Transformers would appear in our mind. But now that technology has expanded its wings to fly high, robots have become more human-like. Not only it looks like humans, but it can also do everything that humans can do. But what about the future? In today's video, we'll be looking at what the future with robots will look like. Hey everyone, welcome to AI Future Live, a perfect channel for everything about the innovation in AI. Hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. And with that being said, let's begin. Robots have made significant contributions to various sectors, allowing for the efficient and low-cost production of most equipment, appliances, transportation, and processed meals. There is no doubt that the 21st century has seen incredible advancements and developments. From the rise and proliferation of smartphones to this incredible development of AI, machine learning, robotics, and autonomous technology. Remarkable achievements have made our lives easier and faster. Robotics engineers work to improve semi-humanoid innovations that preserve simple human features while also retaining typical machine forms to make humans more comfortable around robots and make it easier to engage with them. If humanoid robots are to perform more social roles, to interact with people daily, something must be done to mitigate the uncanny valley effect. Robotics has progressed from science fiction to reality, performing complex jobs and influencing the environment we live in. Currently, a variety of interesting robots have been developed. Not only we have got humanoid robots, but also robotics engineers have invented amazing robot dogs. Let's meet Spot. Spot is one of Boston Dynamics' many robots. He is a 73-kilogram electrically driven and hydraulically operated robot that can walk, trot, climb, kick, and stay upright. However, the robotics engineers surprised the world when they presented Sofia. Sofia is the only humanoid robot who got actual citizenship from Saudi Arabia. Sofia, Hanson Robotics' most sophisticated human-like robot, personifies our hopes for AI's future. Sofia is a human-crafted scientific wonder, illustrating what the future of AI and robots will look like. Stanford engineers have created a new robot with claws, curling toes, and bending legs that are inspired by birds. The released research depicts that it can land on branches and other surfaces like a bird. Drones will have an easier landing as a result of this. To save money on labor, the Weird Hotel in southwestern Japan is run almost entirely by robots. The hotel, also known as Henna Hotel, was displayed to the media, replete with robots. During check-in, one feature of the robots demonstrated the use of facial recognition rather than e-keys. Well, this is the future. Isn't it fascinating? Or does it terrify you? We have to admit that robotic technology is upgrading insanely. Intelligent robots, on the other hand, are a different story. They can perceive their surroundings and utilize their CPUs to make judgments in response to changes in the environment. Teleoperated robots and autonomous robots are the two main forms of intelligent robots. Teleoperated robots have a strong relationship with humans and make decisions with their assistants. Gundam, the renowned cartoon robot, has been developed by Japan. It is a teleoperated robot. Autonomous robots, on the other hand, do not require humans to make decisions. Other robots are half teleoperated and half autonomous. A grave problem is gradually rising in some countries. China, Japan, and many other countries are currently dealing with an aging population and an inverted demographic pyramid. In our society, there will be an increasing number of senior citizens. Can robots help us to deal with this? Let's see. What kind of future is waiting for us? Medical robots can assist in illness analysis, diagnosis, and treatment. Better industrial robots may make it easier to work in factories, allowing seniors to work longer. Seniors can benefit from escort robots to improve their quality of life. There are numerous things that robotics can accomplish. Humanoid aesthetics will play an increasingly essential role in the adoption of new robots as they become more widespread in homes and workplaces. The uncanny valley, a theory that describes our aversion to objects that look and move like humans but aren't quite human, is one big impediment to a smooth transition to a robot-dominated society. The humanoids of this era look exactly like humans, but if you look closely at them, the uncanny valley effects create problems. You can easily distinguish between a human and a humanoid, but the future has something more for us. Heard about the humanoid robot named Amaka? I know it looks pretty scary and mechanical, but just look at her subtle expressions. Scientists are going to use this technology to give more human-like expressions to future robots. With skin like humans combined with expressions like Amica, future robots will look more like us. Now let's look at some extraordinary future projects in the robotics sector. Smartphones can now operate a variety of electrical and electronic items such as motors, music systems, and lighting. So here comes an Arduino-based robot car that you can drive using a smartphone that has the Arduino RC software installed. With the help of a Bluetooth module, this bot car gets commands from your smartphone. Let's look at another one. This project is going to be really useful in emergency services. Extinguishing fire at an early stage can prevent many major accidents. This project's goal is to create a robot that can detect and extinguish a fire. This firefighting robot is going to be a lifesaver in the future. Simple infrared IR photodiodes are used here to detect IR rays emitted by the fire. The future is going to be more crime-free as this drone-shaped artificially intelligent robot will be on duty. Artificial intelligence for predicting and detecting crime may sound far-fetched now, but it's a distinct possibility in the future. Drone footage, for example, will make this possible very soon. Furthermore, with camera-based security systems, automatic detection of suspicious activity is now a reality. This technology will have a significant impact on society since it will enable law enforcement personnel to act fast whenever suspicious activity is detected. But what will be the future of humanity when robots will become more dominant? There are always pros and cons, and here the threat is really dangerous. One concern is that jobs currently performed by people might be replaced by machines. According to a study conducted by Oxford University and Deloitte, computerization might replace about a third of present employment in the UK during the next quarter of a decade. Because robots excel at repetitive tasks, many job losses are expected. Consequently, lower-wage workers will be at a disadvantage. Stephen Hawking, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk are among the notable people who have raised concerns about AI's possible risks. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has asked for a regulatory agency to regulate advancements to guarantee AI technology does not get out of hand. The most widespread concern about robotics development is that robots will take our jobs. Yes, technology is rapidly developing, and this has economic implications. Cab drivers, for example, are expected to be replaced by self-driving automobiles in the future. But also, artificial intelligence will most certainly replace tasks rather than take jobs. It will also create new markets and generate employment, which is fantastic news. For those positions, we may need further education and retraining, but the opportunities will be there. I can see a future when we can't live our lives without the help of artificially intelligent robots. Robots are becoming increasingly individualized, interactive, and engaging. Virtual reality will soon invade our homes, thanks to the rise of this business. We'll be able to have talks with our home entertainment systems, and they'll respond to our efforts to communicate. Also, cloud-connected home robots are now a part of our daily life. It can be programmed to do the work for us, and we can play a warm, home-cooked lunch when we are on the way home from work. Some people think that robots will be responsible for the annihilation of human civilization. On the other hand, some like Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg think that it is nothing but an exaggeration. Humanity will thrive and will be more advanced with their revolutionary invention, robots. This brings us to the end of our video for today. Please leave a comment below with your opinions on the future with robots. That's it for the day, guys. Don't forget to press the like button, also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you'll be alerted the next time we post a new video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.